This is the Aarke Carbonator 3. It's a sparkling water maker featuring a minimalist and compact design. It's really easy to use and it's available in a range of classic finishes. The C3 features a steel nozzle to maximize carbonation and minimize overflow. It has a smooth and easy to operate lever movement and state-of-the-art multiple internal safety valves. The C3 comes with a high-quality food-grade BPA-free PET plastic bottle and is compatible with standardized 60-litre CO2 cylinders available from most brands. The carbonation process is quick and easy. Simply fill the bottle with water, ensuring not to go above the fill line. Attach the bottle to the machine, then simply pull the lever handle and watch the carbonation happen in front of you. And if you need more bubbles, just pull the handle again and again. The C3 is one of the slimmest sparkling water makers on the market. With its minimalist design and an elegant silhouette, the C3 looks eye-catching from any angle. The C3 is entirely powered by the CO2 cylinder. It has no cords and it requires no electricity. You can use it wherever you want. Making sparkling water at home has never been this elegant or easy. For a limited time, get £10 off the Aarke Carbonator 3. Visit MyGizzmo.com and use code GIZMO10. Link in bio now.